Hi, my name is Sirmapriyan. I am developing an app called Palette, and this is going to be my DSA project for the semester. Now, talking about this app, Palette is an engaging Android game designed to stimulate the brain development of children through a fun and challenging gaming experience. The game combines elements of strategy, color recognition, and decision making on a chessboard like grid. With a focus on cognitive development, Palette offers an exciting two-player competition where the objective is to occupy as many squares on the board as possible. Let me explain about the key feature of this app. 1. Strategy and decision making. The user will gain problem solving skills and decision making abilities. 2. With the leaderboard feature included in this app, the player can have a competitive environment which motivates them to playing this game more often. 3. I am focusing more on making an interactive UI for this game. The motivation of this app it came from the education enhancement. The primary motivation is to create an education game that aids in the brain development of children. Number 2. Critical thinking. The game encourages players to think critically and make decisions that impact the outcome. Number 3. Positive reinforcement. Incorporating elements such as rewards, achievements, and recognition can motivate kids to continue playing and engaging with the game. The modules which I used for this development of the app is multidimensional arrays and sorting algorithm. The tools which I used are Flutter, where I am designing the UI, and Firebase, which is used as a database. Let me explain about this app. The starting page of the app has two features. One is the combat mode and the second one is a free play. In the combat mode, the user will be asked to play as a single player or with the double player. In either of the mode, the user has to select either 3x3 or 4x4 or 5x5 grid. Now for this explanation, I am explaining this game with the 3x3 grid. This is how the screen will look like. Here there will be a timer for 10 minutes and the starting position of the die is as shown. Now the player has to roll the die. Let's say the player got 2. Now the player has to swipe in either left, right, up or down. Let's say the player swipes towards right. Now the pointer will move 2 steps towards right. Now the turn goes to computer. Let's say the computer got 1 and by the algorithm the computer will move in either up, down, left or right. Let's say the computer moves towards down. Consider a situation like this. Let's say the computer rolls the die and got 1. Now if the computer goes down, it can overwrite the box colored by the player. This is how this game is going to be interactive. Also here players can't backtrack. Also players will have an option to roll the die again if he didn't get the desired number. In this case, his score will be reduced by 1 and one of the colored box will be freed. This game ends if either a player covers entire boxes or the timer ends or the player has no option to move. Also, the score scored by the player in each game will be stored in the database which will be used to calculate the leaderboard. Now in the two-player mode, all working principles are same, but here instead of computer there will be 2 players. Also there is a mode called free. Here the player won't have any opposition and he just goes as possible as. Now let us discuss about the working algorithm. For rolling the die, I am using random package which is available in Java runtime environment. And initially, in this 2D array, all boxes are numbered -1, which means white color. Then, as the player proceeds, the number will change accordingly and the color will change. And for the leaderboard with the data in the database, I am using merge sort. The reason behind using this sort is that it is a stable sorting algorithm, the time complexity in log n. Now, the significance of the app is that the Palette app is significant as it provides a platform for children to learn and develop critical skills in an enjoyable and interactive way. It has the potential to impact their cognitive development, creativity, and problem solving abilities while offering entertainment and valuable life lessons. Thank you.